Experience ultimate comfort and a tightly knit community in one power-packed student home. Only at June Homes, 78758 Austin. These charming ensuite and non-ensuite options offer tons of closet space for all your belongings, and a shared kitchen with a dishwasher, oven, microwave, and refrigerator, so you can whip up deliciousness at any time. Tackling heaps of clothes is a breeze too, with in-home laundry. Enjoy cozy evenings by the decorative fireplace, or binge latest hits on the huge flat-screen TV. Experience a comfortable atmosphere all year round with the HVAC system. Chill with friends in the furnished common areas, or head for a stroll to the enclosed backyard. Uninterrupted assignments and communication with warp-speed Wi-Fi available throughout the property. Getting to campus at the University of Texas at Austin or Houston-Tillotson University is super quick. They're just a short drive away. Enjoy seamless travel around the city with buses from 1613, Breaker Bittern Hollow Stop, or hop on the tram from McCalla and Kramer Station. Don't wait. Grab your spot at June Homes 78758 Austin today through amberstudent.com.